So, as you can see, there are some like rain clouds in here. They're not thunderstorm clouds. They're just rain clouds. Still a little bit of rain showers, but there's a high wind warning for this area. Now this can lead to some tree damage. These clouds here are rain clouds. They're not thunderstorm clouds, because obviously, because there was no lightning in our area. And I'm gonna cover the camera real quick because I'm gonna move to this side of the house. I don't have socks on. I mean, I don't have shoes on. And I don't have my phone out here, so I can't really show you the weather. But yeah, this video is gonna be really short to show you some of the winds we're gonna get. And this is like not even the strongest winds. Like the winds are gonna get much stronger overnight. Well, not overnight, like this evening. As you can see, there's like dark clouds in there, but those aren't storm clouds. However, those might be clouds that are associated with like all this wind here, because you see there's kind of more of those dark blue clouds. I'm trying not to get my camera wet, but kind of failing to do that. So yeah, that's gonna be it. As you can see, we have a gust front coming through. It's gonna last a long time. Still got a bit of rain showers. And yeah, that'll be it. I'll see you guys later. And now the lens is wet. Alright.